Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. I'm gonna show you how to set up a range item on recent in Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to do this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the home screen. Then scroll down and there is a range item in recent. So click on it, and as you see, in this case we have the vertically recent. Yeah, you can set up the horizontally. So you can set up which you want to choose for your own preference. Show the memory status. So it's been a memory status on the upper corner here. It's very useful. And you can blur up previews here on the choosing of application which you don't want to see from anybody, and gonna be blurring. Yep, so that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.